special message from the National Weather Service for the following county: Alexander, North Carolina. Flood watch in effect through Wednesday morning. What? Flooding caused by excessive rainfall continues to be possible. Where? A portion of Piedmont, North Carolina, including the following counties: Alexander, Catawba, Cleveland, and Lincoln. When? Through Wednesday morning. Impacts: excessive runoff may result in flooding of rivers, creeks, streams, and other low-lying and flood-prone locations. Additional details: deep moisture across the area and strong southeasterly low-level flow will lead to heavy rainfall tonight. Isolated to scattered thunderstorms are also possible, which could increase rainfall rates where they develop. 2 to 4 inches of rain has already fallen, with additional amounts of 1 to 2 inches are expected through tonight. This could lead to areas of flooding. http://www.weather.gov/safety/. Flood A flood watch means there is a potential for flooding based on current forecasts. Please monitor the latest forecasts and be alert for possible flood warnings. Those living in areas prone to flooding should be prepared to take action should flooding develop. Repeating, a flood watch remains in effect until 7 a.m. Wednesday, and now includes the following county: Alexander, North Carolina. Here is a special message. Flooding in effect until 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time this evening. What? Flooding caused by excessive rainfall. Where? A portion of northwest North Carolina, including the following county: Watauga. When? Until 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time Tuesday. Impacts: flooding of rivers, creeks, streams, and other low-lying as well as flood-prone locations is imminent or is already occurring. Additional details: at 11:52 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. During the past 24 hours, rainfall of 2 to 3 inches, with local rainfall amounts near 4 inches, has been common throughout the Watauga River Basin. This has resulted in flooding along the Watauga River near Sugar Grove, as well as its tributaries. At 11:45 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, the Watauga River had risen to 6.6 feet. Flood stage is 6.0 feet. Indications are that the river will continue to rise to near 8 feet. This afternoon, which is minor flood stage, the river will likely remain in flood through the evening hours. Exactly where the river will drop below flood stage depends on the amount of additional rainfall expected during the next 12 to 18 hours. Some locations that will experience flooding include Rominger and Sugar Grove, as well as areas along the United States. Highway 321 near Sugar Grove. For additional information, please go to http://www.weather.gov/safety/. Flood precautionary preparedness action. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Now for the National Weather Service.
I don't know if that was an area flood warning or a river flood warning.
Flood warning in effect until 10:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time this evening. What? Flooding caused by excessive rainfall is expected. Where? Burke County in western North Carolina. When? Until 10:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Impacts: flooding of rivers, creeks, streams, and other low-lying and flood-prone locations is imminent or occurring. Streams continue to rise due to excess runoff from earlier rainfall. Low water crossings are inundated with water and may not be passable. Additional details: at 4:38 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated heavy rain due to continued showers. Flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly in the warned area. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen over the past 6 hours, with 24-hour totals reaching 3 to 6 inches in many places. An additional 1/2 to 1 inch of rain is possible through mid-evening. Some locations that will experience flooding include Morganton, Valdez, Salem, Drexel, Glen Alpine, Table Rock, Lake James State Park area, South Mountain State Park, Linville Falls, Lake Rhoda's vicinity, Oak Hill, and Jonas Ridge. Flooding continues along Spinauer Road near Oak Hill and Homestead Lane near Glen Alpine. http://www.weather.gov/safety/flood when it is safe to do so. Please report flooding or landslides threatening roads or property to the National Weather Service Greenville Spartanburg by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 by posting on our Facebook page or via Twitter using hashtag NWSGS.
Rained
Your message should
quite a
describe the
bit.
specific location where the wax occurred and the depth of flooding observed.
Inch and a half.
Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Flood watch remains in effect.
Yep, it's rained quite a bit. 62% chance. But it's been raining, so it's a little inaccurate.